The Welder program helps you prepare for your next level of training by teaching you basic welding, fitting, and fabrication skills.
It's a 34-week program at UFV Trades Technology Centre in Chilliwack that runs from September to May.
Yeah, it costs a fraction compared to a level 1 post-secondary course, and it's a great way to get introduced to the trade in grade 12 and determine if being a welder is a good career path while earning credits towards your graduation.
The bus leaves Abbotsford Senior Secondary daily at 8 o'clock and returns at 3:30, so you'll always have a ride to and from class.
The first part of the day is in-class theory, and there's tests throughout the program to make sure that you really understand the material.
After that, you'll go to the shop to practice welding for the rest of the day and get hands-on experience with the equipment and tools.
This program requires a strong work ethic, and you'll need to be punctual and pay attention to the details.
Learning how to weld takes a ton of patience, effort, and practice, but eventually things start to click and become second nature.
And it's fun when you get to fit and fabricate parts and see everything come together.
Just being able to come to school and weld instead of sitting in a classroom all day is amazing, and it really engages you mentally and physically.
Some of the welding techniques are a lot more challenging than others, like overhead stick weld, but the instructors are incredible. They're easy to talk to and they're always available to help you when you need it.
They're knowledgeable and have a lot of experience in this field. They make sure all your tasks are done correctly and, most importantly, safely. And they're really kind and clearly have a passion for teaching.
There's lots to learn in this trade, and this program gives you a head start on earning your credentials. And the hands-on shop time puts hours towards your Red Seal certification.
Plus, it will help you get a job after high school so you can start making money sooner and further your training.
Once you complete the course and pass the ITA exam, you'll receive your Welder's Level C certification and have the confidence, knowledge, and skills required to get hired and sponsored by an employer as an apprentice welder.
After that, students return to a BC Post-Secondary Institute to complete their B and A level welding programs to become a ticketed Red Seal welder.
And there are many career paths that you can take once you're a fully trained welder.
There's tons of well-paying opportunities.
After completing this program, I hope to get a job as a welder to gain my apprentice hours and complete training towards my Red Seal. My goal is to specialize in TIG welding and become a motorsports welder fabricator.
Taking this course has confirmed that a welding career is the right choice for me. My goals are to get into pipe fitting and welding and eventually own my own welding rig, and one day be an instructor.
Even if you don't end up welding as a career, it's still a great skill to have. But if you are planning on making it a career, it's best to start now.
This course was challenging at times, but I realized that I can achieve anything if I put my mind to it. My passion for welding is even stronger now after taking this course.
If you love hands-on work in a shop environment and can't see yourself sitting behind a desk learning about history, this is a great program to help you get a job right out of school and a head start to a rewarding career in welding.